Canon is preparing what could be one of the most intriguing mirrorless cameras of 2026, the Canon Retro camera. This new model is rumored to blend the nostalgic charm of the classic AE-1 with modern full-frame digital technology. At the core, the camera is expected to use the 32.5 megapixel sensor found in the Canon R6 Mark III, offering high-resolution image quality, excellent low-light performance, and wide dynamic range. Unlike many modern mirrorless cameras chasing only high megapixels or extreme speed, the Canon Retro camera appears designed to balance tactile, hands-on shooting with contemporary performance, targeting photographers who value both style and function. The AE-1 is an icon in Canon's history, renowned for its mechanical feel, top-deck dials, and intuitive controls. Bringing back this design language in a modern digital body gives the Canon Retro camera a distinct personality. Early reports suggest that the camera will feature physical dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, allowing photographers to adjust settings quickly without diving into menus. The camera's body is expected to retain the boxy, compact shape of the AE-1, giving it a solid feel in hand while remaining lightweight enough for street, travel, and everyday photography. This combination of nostalgia and practicality is a key part of the camera's appeal. Timing is critical for Canon, and rumors point to an April 2026 announcement. This aligns perfectly with the AE-1's 50th anniversary, providing a natural opportunity for Canon to celebrate its legacy while introducing a modern camera inspired by the past. Hints from Canon executives at CP Plus 2025 sparked conversations about retro-inspired designs, fueling speculation that a real product is on the horizon. With competitors like Nikon's ZF series and Fujifilm's X series already performing well with retro designs, Canon's entry into this market feels both overdue and strategically timed. The Canon Retro camera 2026 is expected to marry classic form with modern functionality. Weather sealing, a well-shaped grip, and a lightweight build should make it versatile enough for handheld shooting in varied conditions. The camera is likely designed for simplicity and ease of use, focusing on physical controls and avoiding overly complex menus. This approach will appeal to photographers who want a satisfying tactile experience without sacrificing modern conveniences. Compact dimensions similar to cameras like the Canon X6 or even the Leica Q3 are likely, ensuring portability for street, travel, or daily photography. Performance is rumored to be solid but not overcomplicated. The 32.5 megapixel full-frame BSI sensor promises excellent image quality, sharpness, and dynamic range. Paired with an entry-level DJI X processor, the camera should offer responsive handling and efficient performance without inflating costs. Autofocus is expected to feature dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with eye and animal tracking, making it reliable for street photography, portraits, and casual action shots. Burst shooting is set to reach 12 frames per second with the mechanical shutter, which is enough for everyday photography without overwhelming the camera's internal buffer or power consumption. Low light performance is expected to be strong, with an ISO range from 100 to 51,200 and expandable up to 204,800. This gives photographers flexibility when shooting in dim conditions while maintaining image quality. Video capabilities, however, are likely limited to 4K at 30 FPS, reinforcing the idea that the Canon Retro camera is primarily a stills-first device. Limiting video helps preserve battery life, which is expected to support more than 500 shots per charge. For photographers shooting on the go, this reliability will be a major advantage, reducing interruptions during longer outings. Lens options are expected to complement the retro aesthetic. Rumors point to at least 2 retro-styled RF lenses, a 45mm f1.2 STM prime and a 28 to 70mm f2.8 IS STM zoom. While these lenses may be cosmetic variations of existing optics, they enhance the classic shooting experience, pairing well with the camera's tactile body. This design philosophy reinforces the idea that the Canon retro camera is about the overall photography experience rather than pushing optical or sensor boundaries. Compact lenses combined with a portable body will make it ideal for street, travel, and everyday photography, offering flexibility without compromising usability. Pricing for the Canon Retro Camera 2026 is rumored to be around $1,999, positioning it as a premium full-frame camera without entering pro-tier price territory. This would place it in direct competition with Nikon's ZF series while remaining accessible to enthusiasts and advanced hobbyists. Canon's strategy seems focused on delivering a high-quality, enjoyable photography experience at a price point that balances value and performance, appealing to users who want a capable full-frame camera without the complexity or expense of top-tier professional models. The Canon Retro Camera 2026 also seems designed with workflow efficiency in mind. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth should allow for fast image transfers, remote control, and smartphone integration. These features make it easier for photographers to work on the go, whether uploading street photography for social media, capturing travel shots, or shooting professional-level portraits. While video is secondary, the wireless capabilities ensure the camera fits into modern content creation workflows seamlessly. In conclusion, the Canon Retro Camera 2026 is shaping up to be one of Canon's most exciting mirrorless releases in years. With an AE1-inspired design, a modern 32.5-megapixel full-frame sensor, compact ergonomics, and reliable autofocus, it promises a nostalgic yet practical photography experience. Expected to be announced in April 2026, possibly with a summer release, and priced under $2,000, it could become a favorite among enthusiasts and advanced hobbyists. The Canon Retro Camera 2026 embodies Canon's ability to blend heritage and innovation, delivering a camera that celebrates the past while offering the performance needed in today's digital photography world.